Actually, it really gave pleasure being present here and when they came to invite me for this function, because this is an institute which I always had a lot of passion. It's not only me, but even my father, who was instrumental in building this institute. That was one of his top projects to take and give good infrastructure to the nursing institute and see that we have good infrastructure. Lots needs to be done today when we talk of Florence Nightingale, who has been the main heart of this nursing profession. And the respect that you have today, it's not only a simple profession. A lady like her, who came from a wealthy family, who got into nursing, calling it a call of God and going into nursing, also gave it a different type of level in nursing. A lot of times people in those days looked down on nursing profession. Because of her that this profession got a different type of standing, different type of, today all of us know that sisters, nurses are a lifeline of every hospital. And without you, no hospital can run smoothly or function, because it is you who play a major role in looking after the patient. I was just talking to her that there are a lot of books on Florence Nightingale, what she did, her sensitivity, her approach. And I think all the young nurses here, a lot of students here must read these books. Don't only restrict yourself to what is being taught to you in the nursing profession or in your school, but read the books, Notes on Hospital, and all these old books that were written by her. It all talks about what we are practicing today. It all talks about what we are doing today, sensitivity towards the patient. It talks about the type of care. You have to learn from this same date. Florence Nightingale is the type of mortality in the army that she brought down in those days when there were minimum kind of things available to deal with situations which you have today at your disposal. It is very important that you learn, go through. We talk about midwifery today when you are learning. We also talk and use these phrases in different speeches. But all these concepts, we may call it home nursing today. All these things were brought about by her in her time, and where she structured the whole what nursing is all about. She was the first one who started nursing education. We all know that. That's why we celebrate. Today we talk about her because she has been the heart of the nursing profession. And I would like to also suggest, and I was just talking to the principal, is today we are in Goa also, a lot of things need to be done. We are also in the process of seeing that modern type of technology, modern things are used in functioning of hospitals. We are also strengthening the cardiology. And it's not easy, we want to come out with courses, that's what we are just talking with